Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I'm glad to hear that these job leads have been helpful and that y'all have not only been getting interviews, but getting hired for these positions. People are getting hired, which just makes me so happy, but I am not going to waste anyone's time today. We'll keep today's job lead very short and to the point. This one is for anyone interested in a management position. The company Hotjar is hiring a customer success manager. Now, this is in the Americas, so anywhere in North America or South America, so all the countries that are included in those two continents, they said do not apply if you are not located in the Americas. They are looking for specific time zones to be worked in. So their customer success team onboards and nurtures Hotjar customers by increasing their customer activation and engagements through multiple communication channels. So their customer success managers are working closely with the customers at all stages of the life cycle, from implementation and initial value to renewals and expansions. So as a customer success manager, you will conduct onboarding, training, and review calls with customers through multiple stages of the customer journey. You will establish a long-term trusted advisor relationship with assigned customers. You'll expand the customer success team's impact by trialing new programs and identifying new opportunities for growth, and you'll interface closely with the sales, product, and marketing teams. Now, a few requirements for this. This is a management position that does not require a college degree. Sometimes being in management, they do require the college degree, but this company takes experience over everything. So they are looking for someone who has a minimum of 1 year experience in customer success management, working with SaaS product and or mid-market customers. Experience improving customer activation, engagement, or renewal outcomes, and if you are product savvy. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who has a technical background as well, someone who's familiar with basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and someone who has the desire to work respectful, transparent, and collaborative work. You do need to be able to pass a background check that is processed by a third party. Now, they do have a great compensation package. It says the range for this position is $67,000 to $87,000 a year. However, it says we offer the offers that they write for these positions typically fall in the range of $75,000 to $80,000 a year. So that is basically where they feel that their pay will land, even though the range is a little bit wider than that. They say themselves $75,000 to $80,000 a year. Down here, it does talk about their benefit package. They provide 40 days of annual leave and 401k plans and all of the normal benefit packages. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.